Toyota Family Travel. Safe drive dreams, day and night. Are you dreaming of the perfect family road trip? A journey where safety, comfort, and peace of mind travel with you every mile of the way? Then welcome to Toyota Family Travel, where every ride is a dream drive, day and night. Scene: family loading into their Toyota SUV, excited smiles, luggage packed, kids in the back seat. When it comes to family travel, there's one name you can always trust: Toyota. Built for safety, designed for comfort, and engineered for unforgettable family moments. Toyota understands that your most precious passengers are sitting in the back seat. That's why they've added intelligent safety sense features in every model to protect your family on highways, winding mountain roads, or even in busy city traffic. Scene: car driving smoothly on a scenic road with mountains in the distance. Let's talk about the key safety features that make Toyota the #1 choice for family travel. 1. Pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, PCS-PD. Before danger strikes, Toyota is already alert. This feature detects potential collisions and warns you, even applying automatic braking if necessary. Whether it's a sudden stop from the car ahead or a pedestrian crossing unexpectedly, Toyota is ready to protect. 2. Lane departure alert with steering assist, LDA USA. Family road trips mean long drives. Sometimes we drift, but Toyota doesn't. This system gently guides the vehicle back into its lane, keeping you and your loved ones safe, especially during late night drives when fatigue can hit. Scene: family taking a break at a roadside diner, kids playing safely nearby. 3. Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC. Long highway journeys feel shorter and smoother with adaptive cruise control. The car maintains a safe distance from vehicles ahead, speeding up or slowing down as needed. You relax. Toyota keeps watch. 4. Road Sign Assist. No need to guess the speed limit or wonder about traffic rules. Toyota reads road signs for you and displays them on the dashboard. You stay informed without distractions. Scene: driving through rainy weather at night. Camera focuses on headlights and windshield. 5. Automatic high beams, AHB. Nighttime travel? Not a problem. Toyota's intelligent headlights automatically switch between high and low beams to ensure visibility without blinding other drivers. Safety for you and everyone else on the road. 6. Blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert. Changing lanes or backing out of a parking spot? Toyota's radar systems watch your blind spots and alert you to vehicles or objects you can't see. It's like having a second set of eyes for every move. Scene: kids napping comfortably in the back seat, parents smiling in the front. Toyota is more than just safety. It's about comfort and peace for the whole family. Spacious interiors and smart climate control. Whether it's a 3-hour ride to grandma's or a cross-country adventure, Toyota SUVs and vans offer roomy seating, advanced climate zones, and entertainment systems, turning every trip into a joy. Smart connectivity. Use Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, or built-in navigation to stay connected. Find gas stations, picnic spots, hotels, all at the touch of a button. You control the journey. Toyota powers the experience. Scene: family watching sunset from the car, peaceful music in the background. Toyota drive modes for every terrain: rain, snow, sand, or mountains. Toyota's multiple drive modes and all-wheel drive options adapt to every road condition. So your dream family tour goes on, no matter what nature throws your way. Child safety locks and latch system. Toyota's commitment to family includes the smallest travelers too. With built-in child locks and easy car seat attachments, your little ones stay snug and secure from start to finish. Scene: family arriving safely at their hotel, hugs, laughter, and joy. Voiceover: every trip creates memories. Every road tells a story. And when you travel with Toyota, that story is filled with safety, comfort, and trust. Choose Toyota for your next family journey. Dreams come true, day and night, with the power of safe drive. Toyota. Let's go places together. Toyota Family Drive, Safe Drive Reeves. Toyota Safety Sense, hashed Family Trip 25 Drive Day and Night. Let me know if you'd like this script adapted for voiceover, video captions, or translated into another language.